Good morning, guys! Saturday! Yes! My thing! Natapos din ang 1 week na work. This is my last day for the whole week. And day off for Sunday, Monday. It's getting sunny now, but later it will be raining. So, nagmadali ako ngayon kasi akala ko may iwan ako ng bus. But, I'm still here in the bus stop. Wala pa rin yung bus. So, maybe in a couple of minutes, andito na siya. Kasi nakita ko na siya umikot. Yeah. So, outfit of the day. Same. I just use my vest. But, yesterday, hindi ako nagdala ng jacket, guys. Tiis ganda ako kahapon. Pero pag uwi ko, ang lamig. So ngayon, dala ko ang aking wool cardigan. Pakita ko sa inyo, suot ko. Wait lang, may dadaan na sasakyan at baka actually humihinto yung iba eh. Tinitingnan kung anong ginagawa ko dito sa bus stop. Pakita ko sa inyo quickly. So, here's my outfit for today. So, yan. And just wearing my white vest and my rasta. Yeah, yun lang, guys. Kasi malamig. At Sabado naman. So, and it's windy. So, magpapalda sana ako kaya lang nililipad. Pero pag gantong windy maganda, nakapants na siya. Oh, andyan ang bus. So, see you again, guys. O, tignan natin kung maraming sakay ang bus. Normally, when it's Saturday, konti lang. Kahapon nga, konti lang kami. Kasi yesterday is holiday. So, tignan natin. Oh, parang may sakay na isa, dalawa. Okay. Oh, pangatlo ako. Morning. Thank you. Lima na kaming sakay. Panglima ako. Oh, wait. Oh, it's nice na nandito sa bus dahil mainit. So, pag nandito sa bus, I just continue my thing. Kasi, doon ko nakasupply masyado kanina. Ayusin ko po and little bit of retouch pagdating sa work. So, tingnan natin kahit it's sunny and see walang mga sakay. No, not walang mga sakay. Meron namang mga sakay pero tatlo lang. So, mamaya pag huminto pero hindi napupuno talaga ang mga bus dito sa LC. So, yun lang, guys. Mamaya, i-add ko yung clips. Hopefully, ma-upload ko to sa aking channel sa YouTube. Okay? Okay, bye-bye! Guys, so continuation na to ng vlog ko. Dito na ako sa The Crossing. If you can see, mga close pa ang mga shop. It's only 9:30. Today is Saturday. 10 o'clock ang bukas mo. So, ayan ang The Crossing Coffee Culture Club. And that's the stair going to the floor. Second floor. Ayokong pumasok sa loob ng Valentine's kasi nagka-copyright ako dun sa sound ng ano nila. Ay, ang ganda nyo, guys. Look at that. Ganda, no? Brown. Okay. So, dito ako dadaan sa city para makita nyo kung ano. Ang lamig, guys. It's cold. Okay, ayun na Lapas sa kaya. Okay, dito ako dadaan sa kabila. Para natin ang ibang side of the street. Bukas na lang eh. It's cold. May na sinasabi ko pag malamig. Let's see. Ito, ang Big Mecca flagship store here. Kasama sila? Not sure if they are open. Are they open? No, they have meetings, so it's not yet. And then dito ako magpunta. Look at that guys, ang ganda. Magkano siya? It's like busy is there. Ayaw ngumiti ng babae. Okay, supermarket shop. Are they open? Oh guys, ang cute ng dress oh. Okay. So most of the shop are open at 10 o'clock. Oh my God, ang lamig talaga guys. Tawid na. Okay, tawid na. Okay, what time check? It's 9:45. Daan nga ako dito sa ballet na isip lang. Saan walang music? Nainis ako pag may music. Daan muna tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung maraming nakikitang maganda. Of course, lagi maganda dito. Try the Chanel. Try the perfume.
That one is a fake one.
What's that?
It's a fake one. Just try this one. It's just display.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's hard to open when only one. This little bit different with the green one. This one? What do you call? What's this one?
Number lighting.
Ah.
This one is more like green. Violet is
I
more.
like it when it's more flowery.
You want to flowery?
Oh yeah, it's more like a flower. Wait. Don't know. Which one is more flowery? Is this the chance?
No, Gabriel.
The Gabriel? Okay. How much the smaller one?
232.
No, special today. No. Okay. Thank you. This one lipstick?
No, it's perfume. The twist spray. The travel size.
Ah, travel size. How much is that one?
This one comes with a 3-in-1 pack, which is 372.
And it's 3 different scents.
Same thing. Just another 2
Di-
refill.
Ah, okay. It's nice for a gift, eh? Okay, I'll have a look with other one. Thank you. Hey guys, mahal na ngayon ang Chanel. never mind, mailagay sa wishlist para ngayong Christmas. Pag tinatanong ako ng mga sponsor. Kaya lang mga nag-sponsor may timing eh. Pag nagtanong kailangan within 10 seconds sumagot. After 10 seconds walang sagot. Hindi nila bibigay. Okay guys, I'll get back to you again. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya lunchtime what can we see in the city. Okay, bye-bye.